सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. In Ayurveda, the balance of the body, mind and spirit is achieved through the understanding of three fundamental energies or doshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. This balance is a foundation of virtue, wealth, enjoyment and salvation. It is through health that one can achieve all life pursuits. Today, we delve into the concept of Ojas, the essence of vitality and immunity in Ayurveda. Ojas is a subtle essence that gives life, strength and immunity to the body and mind. It is a vital energy that sustains physical and mental health. What is Ojo Dushti? Ojo Dushti is a disorder of Ojas where physical and mental factors lead into three conditions called Ojokshaya, Ojo Visramsa and Ojo Vyapanna. Ojokshaya, where depletion of Ojas takes place, which leads into Murcha, Mamsakshaya, Moha, Pralapa and Marana. The second condition is Ojo Visramsa, where dislodgement of Ojas takes place, which leads to Visleshana, that is joint pain, Patrasadana, that is pain in the body parts, Dosha Chavanam, displacement of Ojas, Kriya Sanirodha, unorganized physical and mental function. Now, the third condition is Ojo Vyapanna. It leads to decreased state of Ojas in the body and leads to disease state in body or Vyadhi Avastha. This leads to Sabda Gurugatra, Vata Shofa, Varna Beda, Glani, Tandra, Causes of Ojo Dushti are unhealthy diet, chronic illness and infection, stress. Chronic illness and infection, stress. There are two types of symptoms, physical symptoms and mental symptoms. Physical symptoms are fatigue, weakness, failure in skin nails and conjunctiva, drying of skin. And mental symptoms are anxiety, depression, lack of enthusiasm and other synonyms, that is weak immunity, slow healing and frequent infections. We have delved into the significance of Ojo, the causes leading to Ojo Dushti, and dietary recommendation to restore balance and health. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet and lifestyle is crucial for preserving the essence of Ojo. In conclusion, we have journeyed to the fascinating concept of Ojo, understanding its vital role in our well being and the factor that can lead to Ojo Dushti. By recognizing the causes and adopting the appropriate dietary recommendation, we can work towards restoring and maintaining the balance of Ojo in our bodies. Thank you.